Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5cast. Thanks for joining in today. Today we're going to talk about a topic where there is simply a lot of confusion, and we get this question a lot. It's something like, Mom's headed to the nursing home. Can she give me $15,000 a year? Now, where do we get that $15,000 a year? Well, that's every year there's what's called an annual exclusion amount. This amount changes every year. I believe last year, the year before, is $14,000. This year it's $15,000 in 2019. By the time you see it, it may be more than that, but it's a certain amount that Mom can give every year for gift tax purposes. You can give that and not be taxed for gift taxes. But what is wrong with Mom giving the kids $15,000 per year?
Well, it depends on which world you're in. The world that we practice in the area of elder law, most of the time we are helping our clients or their elderly parents to qualify for a benefits program to help pay for the extremely high cost of nursing home care. And to qualify for that, you have to meet certain criteria. Once you meet those criteria, then they also look for what they call transfers. Now, if you make a transfer or a gift, for example, the $15,000, it won't stop you from qualifying, but it could cause a penalty where they won't pay for the care for a certain amount of time. So $15,000 is about a 3-month penalty. So you can do it. It would just create a penalty, which would translate to a period of time that Medicaid would not pay for their care. So you can do it.
So the question is, can Mom do that? Yes, of course, it's her money. But then it's like, what if she does it? If she does it and she's going to the nursing home, they can look back, they being DHS can look back 5 years and they can see these transfers, and that can delay the time where Mom would receive Medicaid to pay for her nursing home. And it is confusing, I understand. We've even professionals get confused. We've had people come in that said, well, my accountant said I could do this. They said, Mom's got $150,000 and she's got 10 kids, so she can write each of us a check for $15,000, and presto changeo, she's broke now and she gets Medicaid. Well, again, she can write the checks, and they are all exempt from gift tax under the current law because of the annual exclusion.
Yep.
But if she does that and she's going to the nursing home, well, then there's going to be a penalty period and delay in the time that she would get Medicaid. So, confusing topics for a lot of folks out there, but we just wanted to cover that this morning and hopefully clarify more than confuse.
So let's say Mom did write 10 checks for $15,000. Can you fix that?
Well, yeah, the kids could just give it back if they still have it.
They could give it back. They could even give part of it back and keep part of it if they do it properly.
And reduce the penalty.
Where Mom could qualify much quicker.
And it's the same thing with...
But it has to be fixed.
Yeah, with a lot of things, money or land or a lot of different things that are gifted. So sometimes, even if it's happened in your family and you're watching this, don't think all is lost. Sometimes there's ways to fix it, depending on what other assets Mom has, when it was done, and whether the kids can give some of it back and other factors.
So the sooner you address it,
yeah,
the sooner you will be able to fix that transfer.
I think that's all we got to talk about today on this topic. If you need more information, feel free to go to our website, or if you've got a quick question, feel free to jump on a call with us. We hope this information has been of service to you today. We'll see you again on the next video.